I'm Cesar with the Food52 Test Kitchen, and this is Recipe Drop, where myself and my friends here in the Test Kitchen share new recipes with you weekly. Today I have a chamomile-butter poached cod with a sweet pea puree. This is a really delicate French-inspired dish. With a little technique, you're gonna go a long way here. I'm gonna start with our pea puree. This all happens pretty quick. So my pan is hot. Yep, she's hot. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter, along with half a sliced shallot and 1 crushed clove of garlic. Usually I would add the garlic later as to not have it burn, but this is all gonna happen pretty quick. So now I've got my bag of frozen peas, 1 pound. So I went in with my peas. I just want them to come back to life a little bit. I'm over medium-high heat. Mashed peas, or like mushy peas, we don't eat enough of it. At least Americans don't eat enough of it. The Brits love their mushy peas. And we make fun of them for it, which is wrong. All right, I'm gonna leave this alone for a second. Once your pan is hot again, because the frozen peas are gonna bring the temp right down, we're gonna go in with our veggie stock. Peas cool down the pan. Now I can hear everything sizzling again. All right, now I'm gonna go in with our veggie stock. There's a cup of veggie stock. You can use homemade veggie stock. I just did some veggie better than bouillon. Diluted it in a cup of hot water. We're gonna let this come up to a simmer. Something I never forget to do. Gotta season it. Pinch of salt. White pepper would have been really good in something like this. If you don't want to see the pepper flakes. I don't have any right now, so just a little black pepper. Actually, not too much. We're gonna let this come up to a simmer until our peas are just tender, and then we're gonna blitz them. Okay, as our peas are doing its thing, let's talk about the cod. So here I have 1 pound of fresh cod fillets, which I've just portioned into 4 servings. Gonna give it a good hit of salt. I love cod, such a nice white fish, really mild in flavor. I grew up eating bacalao, which is salted, preserved cod. Totally a different beast from this. So this dish is very delicate. Like, I'm not going in with big flavors, which is a little unlike me, but you can really appreciate the ingredient. Our peas are warmed through, but you can see they're still really green. So I'm gonna kill my heat. I'm gonna blitz them in the food processor. It's not like boiling, it's just, you know. So in we go. Don't get this. Oh my God. All right, so if you want to come have a look, this is where I want to be. So if you want to be really fancy, you can push this through a fine mesh sieve, and it'll be really smooth. I personally really like the texture, so I'm not going to be doing that. So what I'm going to be making right now is a chamomile-infused butter sauce, essentially. This is something I think in French is called a beurre monté or something like that. Beurre monté, that's how you say it? Beurre monté. And basically, it's water and butter emulsified. It's really simple, but when you do this, your butter won't break as the cod is poaching. So for every stick of butter, you want to use 1 tablespoon of water. So I'm using 4 sticks of butter. I have 4 tablespoons of water. I'm over medium heat. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in with a little butter at a time and constantly whisk. A few pats of butter at a time. So basically, we're making an emulsion right now. Another tip, you never want this mixture to exceed 180 degrees Fahrenheit. If it does, it's gonna break. What do I mean by break? The fat and the liquid are going to separate from each other, resulting in a greasy sauce. This is probably the hardest part of the whole recipe. And it's not even hard, it's just, you're just babysitting it.
Mounted butter.
I'm like a stunt double.
Thank you for your for your help. But I'm down to my last 2 pats of butter. But you can see how beautiful and silky and emulsified this is. It's just butter and water. Okay. Remember, we're checking our temp. We don't want it to break 180. Don't stop stirring. All right, that's good. Now, once these final pats of butter melt, I'm going to go in with our chamomile tea bag and our tarragon, along with our clove of garlic and a little shallot. So the reason I chose to infuse this butter with chamomile, chamomile just has a really delicate, floral, and almost like apple-y aroma. Pairs really nicely with tarragon, which has like a licoricey taste. These are just delicate flavors that aren't going to overpower the cod. Going in with a few sprigs of tarragon, a little piece of shallot, some garlic, bay leaf, and we have our chamomile tea bag. In that goes. See it?
Oh, you keep it in the bag?
Yeah.
Nice.
Remember, we're still monitoring our heat. I don't want this to break. I'm keeping our butter moving. I'm gonna let it infuse for about 3 minutes. So this recipe is really all about technique. It's not hard necessarily, but there are some rules that you need to follow. But once you get it down, like, this is such a gratifying, nice, impressive dish. It's starting to smell good. First thing that starts coming out is the tarragon. I'm happy with where we are with the butter, with the beurre monté. So now I'm gonna go in with our cod fillets, and you want them to be submerged. Let's give them a little shake, and a little baste. Now we're gonna cook our cod until it's opaque and just starts to flake. This will take about at least 5 minutes. Something I like to do, I like to keep the pan moving, just to make sure that the fish is always covered with butter. I was able to fit 3 of my fillets in here. I'll hold off on the other one. I don't want to overcrowd my pan, and I'm monitoring my temperature. If you want to have a look here, it's been about 6 minutes. Our fish is starting to flake and getting opaque. So I'm gonna give this about another 2 minutes, but in the meantime, I'll start plating. So I've got a little bed of our pea puree. I'm gonna go in here, get a piece of our cod. Our glossy beurre monté. I'm gonna finish it off with a little grapefruit zest. You can do lemon zest. I just so happen to have grapefruit, and I think it's gonna go really well with the tarragon and the chamomile. Gonna hit this with a little flaky salt, some chives. All right, and that's our chamomile-butter poached cod with sweet pea puree. Julia, do you like fish?
Yes.
Do you like French food?
Yes. Is there butter involved in this?
There's a fuck ton of butter.
Hell yeah. I know I'm gonna like it then. So good. God, everything you make is my favorite thing.
Despite the amount of butter, it tastes kind of light, right? Mm-hmm. Which is kind of crazy.
It does.
This is a sweet pea puree.
Oh, nice. Okay,
So there's butter, vegetable stock, a little shallot, a little garlic.
Oh, it's so good. It's very springy.
It is springy. Mm-hmm. I feel like this is something like a mom would like.
Yeah, that's freaking delicious. I love it.
Thank you.
That's why I love this bowl. It's so pretty. I love the contrast of the colors. That was delicious.
Thank you very much.
And it was poached?
It was poached in butter.
Okay.
In a beurre monté.
Is that like, is that something I could do, like a regular
You can.
home cook?
It's very easy. It just
Okay,
takes
yeah.
time and patience.
All right, well, we'll see if I have that. Thank you for letting me
you.
taste.